It's a bumpy road.
So?
It's bumpy.
I don't really care if it's a bumpy road, but guys, anyway, look down here.
We're gonna give out some ice cream today, guys. Tiana'S ice cream truck.
Yeah!
Come in.
You and me got a whole lot of history. We could be the greatest team that the world has ever seen.
Can I have a double cone with sprinkles and chocolate?
Ooh, double cone. Yummy. Oh, look at that, Tiana. Well done. Yummy. Good girl, Tiana.
Any sauce?
Welcome. Who subscribed to Toys and Me?
Me.
Who subscribed to Tiana channel?
Me.
What about Jordan? Wait, Tiana's brother. Do you like Jordan's videos? Oh wow.
No, it's all free.
For the free ice cream, my man? It's all free! Compliments to the chef. Oh, that looks good. Where is that? Oh, that is quality, young man. Tiana's a good chef, isn't she? What about me?
It's nice.
I'm the best chef. Can't you see that there, look? Come on. There you go. Evidence is clear. Clear.
Everyone needs to subscribe to Toys and Me and Tiana.
That's right.
Are you going to do that?
Yeah.
Are you going to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at this order, Tiana. You're getting so busy. I think I need to come in and give you a hand. Woo!
This one's one of the twin ones.
Is this a twin one, Tiana?
Yeah.
Who's asked for a twin ice cream? Was that you? Where is it? There you go. Any juicers or anything like that on it?
Yes.
Juicers? Right there, Tiana, don't it yourself. One have a squirt on your own ice cream. Let's see how much juice he uses. It's got blue juice. Come on, don't be shy, don't be shy. Come on, more juice, more juice. Enjoy. Well done. You're welcome. What would you like, young lady? No one's having any popsicles or lollies. It's all ice cream. Would you like a lolly?
Ice cream's the best.
Ice cream's the best, Tiana.
Yeah.
Who likes ice cream better than popsicles, lollies? You prefer ice cream? Let's have some ice creams then, Tiana. Over to you.
Ice cream. I would
Whoa! Any juice? Okay, ice cream? Well then, Tiana, another ice cream coming up.
Made that one extra big.
Well then, come on then. Oh wow, that's a good one, Tiana. Look at that! Woo.
Ice cream.
What do you say? Yum, yummy.
Yummy. What's your favourite? Sprinkles, flakes, marshmallows, sherbet, and I think there's caramel too.
Nuts is my favourite.
My favourite out of there,
They look good, don't they? The chocolate flakes.
I would like the flake and the marshmallow.
Ooh, yeah. So Tiana,
Uh-huh.
this is our break, guys, from the shift on Tiana's ice cream truck.
Yeah.
So many kids eating our yummy ice creams. So delicious, because you know we're the best chefs. We're teaming up. You're in the video. Look at these are the customers. Are you happy with your ice creams?
Yeah.
Who's the best chef?
You.
Oh yeah. Hey! Hi! How you doing? High five. Come on. Don't leave me hanging. There you go.
No.
What did you just say to me, young lady? What did you like?
We liked it when we did the slime challenge.
You just said you liked it when I slimed Mum. Oh yeah.
I liked it when Jordan did the clown one.
Jordan's the clown, isn't he?
Yeah.
Okay, we better move. We've got another shift on, Tiana. We've got places to go. Your ice cream truck's a bit bumpy.
I like it. Dad, come on, we need to give out some free ice cream.
Yes, we're going to do that right now. Let me put some music on.
Yay! And by the way, be careful in my ice cream truck.
Music on. Come on, kids, where are you? Free ice cream. Free ice cream.
I have seen some kids on the road and he was running away from the truck.
So, Ashley fans, what do they think of your ice cream truck?
Guys, What do you think of my ice cream slushie?
Look who's there!
Oh my god, look at that.
Ice cream! Ice cream! Can I have a screwball, please, Tiana?
Okay.
Oh, young man. There you go.
Thank you, Tiana.
Oh! Look! He's falling off, look!
I've done it before and it went everywhere.
Well, that's what happened to Tiana's. There's your ice cream from Tiana.
Can I quickly take a picture?
There you go.
Thank you. Ice cream!
Yeah, they're all free. You don't have to pay for this ice cream or popsicle or lolly.
I'll have one of those.
It's a double flake, Tiana, coming up. So don't forget, this young man wants 2 flakes. Wow, that's big. You've got a big one there, mate. 2 flakes. Oh yeah, Tiana. That looks good. That looks good. You're welcome. See you, mate.
Sprinkle.
Sprinkles, Tiana. Oh. Yeah, loads of sprinkles, look. Ooh. There you go. You're welcome. Look at that. Wow.
You get it for free.
Free ice cream. Really?
Free ice cream.
I'm going to make yours.
Oh no.
I'm going to make yours.
Be careful, Dad. I'm getting a YouTube camera today.
Tiana, I'll make this ice cream, yeah? It's my first time. I need to have a go, okay?
I'm standing back.
Right, do I just pull this slowly, yeah?
Yeah, very slow.
Whoa, whoa!
Oh my god!
There you go, you're back. I'm sure you can manage that. No? Shall I take some out?
Put it in
I tried.
here.
Is that better?
I'll make it, Dad.
So do you like the look of Tiana's better?
Yeah.
I did try. Wow, Tiana!
Sprinkles. Thank you.
You're welcome. See you, mate.
See ya.
Come on, kids! Free ice cream!
Yeah, come on.
Free ice cream!
Let's go.
She's giving out some free lollies. Would you like a popsicle lolly? Yeah? There you go. Right, what have you got here? Look, you got a big choice. Come on, get in the mood. Yeah?
Okay, here's one. I'm going to go surprise my nonna now, and Dad's going to play the music.
Wait for it. We're at Nonna's house!
Yeah! So we've got to wait for her to come outside now.
Woo! Yeah, I've got it. Ice cream, Mum, ice cream! Look at my mum's face! Ice cream, Mum!
Hello!
So what do you think, Mum, to Tiana's ice cream truck? Eh?
Yeah, but you can only have one of those or a slushie.
Everyone's been having all the ice cream, Mum, today. All the kids.
Kind of ran out.
Ooh. So what do you think then, Mum, to the ice cream truck?
How could you run out before you get to Grandma?
Tiana's been busy.
I like split.
Strawberry split, Tiana.
This is going to be a long search, okay?
In the freezer. Where's your head? Let's have a look.
Hi.
You can find the split.
Well, I know the packet's red, isn't it?
Yeah.
Which one was it?
Strawberry split. It's a red.
This is Tiana.
Hello. Now we're at Maddie and Macy's house. It's right there. I'm going to surprise them.
Shall I put the music on?
And then stay down, stay down.
Okay, hold on.
Wait, don't put it on yet.
Not yet.
No.
Not yet.
I'm stuck.
Good. I'm pressing.
No.
Go in the back then.
I am.
Climb over me. She's climbing over me. Oh! Right.
Okay, press it and then duck down.
See? You want me looking? Go under the window. You see him? Go down, go. The car's not there. Someone's after an ice cream. Oh! How you doing, girls?
Is everything good?
Yeah. Who's the best chef, as you can see right there, girls? Yeah, high five. High five. So what would you like then? Oh, what's that? A knobbly bubbly. Knobbly bubbly, Tiana. There you go.
And what would you like?
What would you like?
Which one?
Ooh, that is a knickerbocker glory.
I have no idea how to make that, but I'm gonna
Do you have this one?
She's gonna have a go. All right, then here we go. Stand back, girls. Stand back.
see what flavour
She's gonna have a go of a knickerbocker glory. Oh, she's going
Oh,
up.
wonderful.
That's good, Tiana. It's a good start. What do you reckon, girls? You're doing all right, yeah?
Let me see the picture.
All right. So now you want to put some ice cream in there. Then
Turn it on.
yes, ice cream, and turn it into a cone at the top.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, it's on.
It's gonna go everywhere. Is it
Fine.
on?
Yeah, it's fine. Here we go. Whoa! A bit more.
That's
Bit
it,
more.
that.
Bit more. Yeah.
Some more chocolate?
Yeah.
Like a lot more chocolate.
Doing good.
Yeah, wonderful, wonderful. Excellent.
Is there a flake on it?
There is a flake and a spoon.
Flake and a spoon. Where are the spoons? I think the spoon's on.
Can you reach? Good.
Yeah.
Go.
Spoon.
And the finishing touch, a nice chocolate flake. That's a good job.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
What do you think?
What
Yeah?
do you think, guys?
Good stuff, yeah?
What do you think?
Look who's turned up, Tiana! The quarters! Look!
No!
Oh, Maddie Macy, we was just trying to prank you. Oh, we've been caught. You've caught us. So what do you think, then?
We went off.
Oh, Tiana, can you believe that? Just when we was just getting into the mood of pranking, you've turned up. Where you been, Pop?
Prank me. You'll never prank me.
Maddie, are you hungry? Yes. Would you Macy would like to share this?
Oh.
Here you go.
Oh yeah, now you stuck it up Maddie's nose, yeah. Oh, how was your shift today, Tiana?
Good.
We're giving loads of that. Loads and loads of kids. Loving it. Can I have the flake?
It's mine.
The flake. What are you doing with that? Look at it, he looks like a right wally with that, look.
I had so much fun today in my new ice cream van. And I'm going to try and ask my dad if he can drive it to school.
What? If you drove that ice cream truck to school, none of the kids would go in the school. They would just swarm the van.
Well, bring it in the school then.
It was so nice seeing all the kids' faces. Free ice creams, free
Yeah.
lollies. Tired.
Mhm.
That's your last ice cream
Forever.
for today, anyway.
Oh, phew. So yeah, we've had so much fun. Oh, I'm gonna change the intro for this video. So yeah, we've had
You
so
mean the
much
outro?
fun. Yeah.
Intro's the start.
Yeah.
Outro.
I've had so much fun seeing all those kids. I love my new ice cream van. Love you all. See you soon. Bye.